I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook chicken wings. First, ensure your wings are completely thawed if they were frozen. This helps them cook evenly. Next, it's crucial to pat them very dry with paper towels. This simple step is key to achieving that wonderfully crispy skin everyone loves. Finally, season them generously with your preferred blend of salt, pepper, and other spices to build a fantastic flavor base. For oven baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the seasoned wings in a single layer on a baking sheet fitted with a wire rack, allowing air to circulate for maximum crispiness. If using an air fryer, preheat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the wings for about 25 minutes, flipping them halfway through until they are golden brown and cooked through. If you prefer deep frying, heat at least 3 inches of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important not to overcrowd the pot, so fry your wings in small batches. This helps maintain the oil temperature and ensures even cooking. Each batch should cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and thoroughly cooked. Once your wings are cooked to perfection, it's time for the sauce. Immediately toss the hot wings with your favorite sauce in a large bowl. The heat helps the sauce adhere beautifully. Whether you prefer a spicy buffalo, a tangy barbecue, or a sweet and savory glaze, make sure every wing is well coated. Serve them hot with classic accompaniments like crisp celery sticks and a creamy blue cheese dressing. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.